And I would love to tell you about a white tongue. I had to tell you that actually it might not be so that a white tongue is caused by the same thing as other people has, but everybody has a white tongue because of another reason. So it could be that some people has a white tongue because of poor oral hygiene or dry mouth, dehydration, smoking, the use of alcohol, or of many other reasons. So it's not true that a white tongue is because of one thing only. I discovered a lady with a white tongue and she asked me, what can I do to get rid of my white tongue? And she had none of these problems or troubles that might have caused a white tongue except diabetes. So even if it could be that it is alcohol or something else, she had it because of diabetes. But the reasons that researchers like the researchers of the Mayo Clinic has come up with, the reason why you have a white tongue, they say, is because of an overgrowth and swelling of the finger-like projections on the surface of your tongue. And they say the appearance of a white coating is caused by a debris, bacteria and dead cells getting lodged between the enlarged and sometimes inflamed papilla. But I think it is a fungus overgrowth, and a fungus overgrowth because of something that is not going well with your health. Like this lady with diabetes, she asked me, what can I do to get rid of it? And I said to her, you have a plant of oregano. So take that plant, take 3 leaves of it every part of the day. So 3 parts of the day, morning, midday and nighttime. You take 1 leaf and you bite it a little bit and then suck it a little bit and then leave it on your tongue. It might be uncomfortable to speak, but you just have to choose days where you have to speak the least possible to people, and you just suck that leaf morning, and when it's midday you throw it away, take another leaf, you wash it a little bit, and then you bite it, suck it and keep it on your tongue again till nighttime. Every time during the day you keep sucking a little bit on that leaf, and if you feel like there's no more taste, then you bite it a little bit again and keep sucking it. At nighttime you do the same thing, you throw the leaf away and take another one. This lady did this for 2 days, and when it was like 2 days and a half later, she called and she said, I no longer have the white film over my tongue. So she no longer has a white tongue anymore. So now you know how to heal it. Like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Wish you all the best.